Fuzzball. Please go out with me. Come again. Please go out with me. Phew, I thought I misheard you the first time. I want to be your sweetheart too, book slap. Alright.
The awkward standing in an empty bedroom. Okay.
So,
a hydrate and a stretch for Andy, and a hydrate and a stretch for Bookslap.
I will say this though, Epic, do not use the double dice yet unless you're completely near the star.
Okay.
Let's see what we have before. Okay. Going down. We're yelling timber. Cool. Let's. Yeesh. Okay. Stretch. I did not find any ID badges. Apparently, there's an achievement for each one. Ugh. Thank you.
Gave you a protective hug. I gave you a little. I tucked you in. I gave you a kiss on the forehead, and you hit me with a pipe. With a pipe. Somebody please clip this. I'm gonna need this evidence for later. With a pipe, like.
What? Alright, by the same logic. Dang it. Yes, Bookslap, I love that. Nothing would make me happier. Oh, who did that? Who did you see that person just Bookslap? Bookslap? Did you all see? Can someone clip that, please? Talk about turtles. I like turtles.
You're too cool. Phew, that helps. Okay, I'll go try to patch things up.
Good. Oh no, your worries. Ow. Yeet. I got yeeted by the wall. Thank you for watching. It's always fun to stream, especially when there's viewers like you. Thank you. Always wanted to say that. Someone grew up on PBS. Okay. Dracula is... Am I winning? Well, I beat the giant rat. Now platforming's killing me.
Yeah, but you've had so much climbing activity.
To hydrate.
Oh, my elbow. Okay.
And a screech. Ugh.
Oh,
All
here,
right.
cut my game first.
So whatever happens, this is our last run. It is almost 11.
Whatever happened, you mean when we escape?
Yes.
That is...
Hi, everybody. Welcome on in. JJ, congratulations on your first. Dark Misty, hello. Alrook, hi. Super Whooper, howdy. Crystal Bearer, yo. What is this PBS? Dragon Tales would like to have a word, thank you. How's everyone doing today? I went over, we have a local festival happening this weekend, so I went over there for a little bit to see how the results were for the pageant that I did tech for this past Sunday. So that was fun. And now we're going to be playing more Goof Troop this week with Watermelon Pork. Oh, Alric, is it still super hot over there? I thought it should have cooled down by now, right? Right? Lovely Kitty woke you up at 4 this morning. Oh my gosh. I am sorry. That is the worst. Don't mind me. I'm also readjusting my scenes while we're talking. So when Watermelon Orc hops on, then we can game. All right. So it looks like the stream together is on so we can share chat. And if you guys don't know Watermelon Orc, you should definitely give them a follow. Let me see if I remember how to do this. Aha! Oh, there's sirens outside. That's lovely. You might have seen me post something on Blue Sky. Evening, Hugs. How's it going? It's good to see you. He's burning up, Hugs. Give him some, like, ice or something. I'll burn up. It's true. Let me check something. It is currently 25.5 Celsius here. Well, in my bedroom. Oh, hi there. Hey, you are there. Okay. Yay. Okay, hopefully now the chat can hear you.
Thanks for reminding me. I gotta turn that on myself. There we go.
All right. Let's see. Minimize that. Minimize that. Gameplay. Oh, I also have to get rid of the stream anywhere box. Oh, there it is.
Don't forget, if just in case you forgot, you need to press I to get your controller hooked up to the game.
I.
Oh, okay. No, you had it.
Okay.
Unless, I mean, it said you left. I don't know. I don't know if that means you disconnected or.
That could have been. Oh, I need to turn that on. I can hear the game now.
Yo, that's great.
Do we have a save state from when we played last?
We do. At least we should. I remember making multiple. Because we just beat the castle area?
I think so. We made a really good good progress. It was 98.6 degrees Fahrenheit over there. That's crazy.
Ew. Yeah, I just loaded the save state.
I see that.
Okay. I wasn't sure if you reconnected or not.
They think it's a royalty PJ.
I'm excited to be goofing and trooping again with you.
Yeah, same. Pete thinks he's a pirate king. Shh, Dad down here. Oh. Serving more food, being stuck in a whale sure makes you hungry. Ha!
Affiliate anniversary. What?
Wait, is it my affiliate anniversary? No, it's your affiliate anniversary.
Oh. Hi, shit. I didn't even know that.
Okay. It says that I was moving, but I was not able to control Goofy.
Might have to press I again.
We'll see once it starts. Start. No. Come on. I see the tactile like it's working on...
Do you have like Steam open or something?
Oh, I might actually. Good call.
Yeah, I know when I use my PlayStation 5 controller, if Steam's plugged in, it just doesn't work at all. Yo, thanks, Luke.
Okay, that wasn't it. Oh, here we go.
Yep. Yeah.
All right, we're in a not Zelda dungeon. Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, this looks like
more fun.
More puzzles.
Yeah. Okay. Well, this is like what, you push it forward one at a time, right? Oh no.
So this one will go here.
Oh,
that one goes
kick
here.
This forward. Kick this right.
Yeah.
Go up. Yeah.
I don't know what that does.
I think I might have opened the other door.
You're right.
Yes. Oh, that's progress, baby.
Baby game for babies.
Yeah.
Oh, dead. Are we supposed to catch these?
We can catch them. I just kind of suck at it.
I found if I keep my hands up, it auto catches.
Oh, that is good knowledge to have.
So does it works for them too.
Maybe. Give it you up.
Guess you can't hear me.
Oh wait, what the hell? No, stop! Don't touch me.
Is everybody?
Don't touch me.
Can everybody hear watermelon on my side?
Is that talk?
Hello, hello, hello. Oh,
Yeah, it's because my stream likes to turn off the Discord source.
ah.
Oh.
Oop. I'll take that.
Yeah, I think you should take the fruit. You seem to be having a rough time.
Turn them up a little. I can do that. Beautiful thing about Wavelink and Discord.
Thanks for the heads up, Luke.
Actually, no, I can't because he's at full, but I can turn the game down a little bit. Yeah, I have him up at full blast now.
Good.
Yay, tech difficulties. Just don't pull like a Josh Jepson and start screaming.
I make no promises.
Okay.
Oh.
So,
Huh.
we
My brain says something like that. Oh, wait, and then maybe like that? No.
and then push this
Yes.
and push up.
I did do a thing. Let's go.
Teamwork.
Take both of them.
Oh no.
Oh, fun. I love ice puzzles.
What is this? Pokemon Gold?
God. Pokemon Gold or Pokemon oh wait, the candle.
What is? How
I-
do you use the candle to light things? 'Cause I push the buttons and nothing's happening.
Oh, no, that's pause. I don't know. Usually pressing one of these buttons does a thing, but nothing. Oh, we just
That one. There we
oh,
go.
That was way less complicated than we thought. Oh, I'm having flashbacks to Yonoid.
I don't know if this is the right way, but this is where I went.
As long as we find something, it's not a waste.
This reminds me, those baddies are reminding me of Link to the Past.
I mean, this feels very like we had the assets to Link to the Past. Let's use them a little bit.
Wait a second.
Oh wait.
Am I having like deja vu? Have we been in here before?
It looks very familiar. I'm thinking we might have a Lost Woods situation. Wow, rude. Frog. Okay, no, this
different.
is new.
Okay,
Wait.
I was getting nervous. Let's just go to
stop.
the right first.
Yeah. I second that.
Oh. At least.
Well.
Oh, there's. I was like.
Just what we needed, fireballs.
Yeah. I can't decide whether this is better or worse than the active enemies fighting.
Oh, that's the.
Oh wait,
okay.
wait, keep them there. Keep them
Yeah,
there.
yeah. Nice.
There we go. Hey, Whiskey, welcome on.
Me when I didn't know the bell was actually kind of goated.
What is this janky bullet hell? This is Goof Troop.
You be goofing and trooping. Oh.
But so, do you know how many levels this game has?
Absolutely not.
Okay.
The only time I ever played this is when we tested it out the first time.
Perfect.
Should have held my hands up.
Put your hands up. They're playing your song. The butterflies fly away.
I was thinking more. If my hands are up, he's not going to hit me. I'm giving up. Oop. Oh. Gotta find that free loot.
Fair point. Oh, now lava with giant boulders. Perfect. And they are not, like, on the same.
No! Go, Andy, go!
Right. There you are. Okay. So there's a single... yeah, I'll grab that, actually. Oh, dang. Dang it.
No!
Somehow, I did not die.
The bell knows all.
Apparently.
The bell knows how to be safety.
Banana.
This will totally knock it annoying real fast.
There you go.
So just... Oh, and then I think you need to go from the bottom.
Yep. Awesome.
Ooh. Do it. Do what you want.
All right.
Oh, we could
Go
also
through that
go
door.
to the left.
I have the, Oh, good.
Oh, a dark block puzzle. Fun.
So there's one there. One there.
I think it's that. That.
Oh, you get a gun, too.
No! Wait, yeah.
Oop.
Oh, no! Okay. So, I was doing...
And then the end there.
Yeah.
Yep.
No! Yeah, that's what I was doing.
Okay. I'm gonna go up here.
Kick this to the left. Up. Right. Down. And I'm guessing we can kick this from... Yeah. This side goes over here. Huh.
Oh, I got this one.
Yeah.
It down. There we go.
Then I think...
Do you want to grab this grappling hook, or do you want the bell?
I'll take the grappling hook. So
there's one here that can go up, but...
And then...
Oh, and then right, then down, then right, then up.
Oh, do that.
Yeah, so
And
let me grab
then-
this. Bloop. Then right, then down, then I'm gonna get out. I'm gonna have you step down or right or away for. There you go. Now you can go up or kick the.
Oh yeah, and then
Yeah.
yes,
Out of the darkness. Ooh. I'm dead. I'm like dead.
No, I got stun locked.
Ah. All right. Oh, good. It does start us in here.
Good. We had to continue. I forgot. Oh. Okay.
They're probably wanting us to,
Kill all of them.
yeah.
Yeah, that's how my brain felt.
Yep. Grab this.
Ooh.
Oh,
I forgot they could do that.
it's all up to you. Nice.
Let's go. I gotta do what? I gotta believe.
Yes.
Hmm.
We have to go this way first.
Okay.
Oh, another puzzle.
Oh wait, want me to go?
Over there.
Yeah.
Oh, and then down, then to the right.
Oh, it's on a timer. I thought
Yeah.
it was just a certain amount of moves.
Nope. But then
Wait. Yeah, then how?
right. No. Can this go?
I can just go like this one could just go like straight forward.
Yep. And then if you kick it, this one up,
Yeah.
it can hit here, stop, go down. But then by there, I'm lost. Fruit of Doom, thank you for keeping me alive. I need to go find my water bottle real quick. It's over there. So get a stretch in while you're at it. I'm gonna let Watermelon figure out this puzzle real quick while I'm hydrating.
So why is this an extra block?
Actually, my water bottle is empty, so I'm going to run down and fill that up real quick.
Run, Andy, run!
Yes, all right,
You must
run
hydrate
down.
before you dehydrate.
Yes, I do not want to dehydrate.
So I could kick this over here, and that would move them. You know what? I can easily just move back if I screw it up. So... Yeah, no, that's not it. Wait. It's probably not gonna work, but... Yep, nope. That's not it. What do we do? "30-year-old man struggles with baby puzzle. More at 11.
I just went to go get water. It's fine.
The wild Andy has fled.
I'm back.
Welcome back. Oh yeah,
Thank
it was...
No luck. Oh wait, did the bomb respawned?
Yeah. Brain doing brain thing.
Okay. There's one.
It's only either left or right.
is giving Victory Road in Pokemon, kind of.
But then what do?
I have no idea on that one.
Like I think I have an idea of a way, but it is way too complicated for it to be the right answer.
Okay, well, I'm gonna go back and reset this. So
My brain went. So what if like we kick this into a place like at a certain point, and just like stop the block from using right as it explodes?
it's
I
an
don't know if
idea.
that explanation makes sense, but
So basically, we are gonna have to need to get something from here. So assuming it's coming from here.
yeah. So it has to start here, go down, and then over there. Part of me was also like, damn it, I fucked around too much.
So what we could do, thinking. Oh, I'm gonna bring this down. Right. And then where was it gonna go?
That to the right?
Right now, maybe? No.
Because now it's going to go up and down. There's really nothing else to do with it then.
Right. Okay, reset this.
I got it this time. I'm going. I'm going. Damn it.
Oh, yeah. Then this would have to go up, right? Except then it can only go left. Let's see. It is very sus. I agree.
The thing is that, and I was like 10, I could figure out Victory Road. I'm 30 and I'm struggling with a 3-block puzzle.
Is there some... Nope. Wait. Knock that down.
Wait, that one? Yeah. Oh! We did it. We finally did it. We beat the final boss of the game.
We turned off the waterfall.
Oh, this looks very boss fighty. Oop. Where'd my gun go? Oh, right, I just used it. No, stop that. Nope.
Got an extra life? Is that what that was?
Yeah, I just picked one up. There might be another one by over here.
All right, boss time.
Just cherries. Oh.
Oh, this looks fun.
Why am I having Minish Cap, like, flashbacks?
Oh.
Okay.
Good
Okay.
catch. I fell off, so I didn't get... Oh, you can't just... I tried to catch it. You can't just catch it.
There's stalactites. There's spikes hanging from the ceiling.
Well, yeah.
Oh, dang.
I'm also goofy.
Yeah, I think Goofy would even have, like, his head impaled if a spike hit it. Oh, we're gonna have to do that for every, like segment of his body. Yep. Where are you?
Like reverse centipede. Confuse me how Goofy and Pluto are both dogs. Yeah.
Yeah.
I try not to think about it. There's 2 of them?
Yeah, I didn't sign up for 2 caterpillars. Wow, that was extremely rude of you. Where did I get this bell? Wait, this is your bell.
It's from me, yeah. When I die, you get whatever item I had. So you get 2. Did you just cancel your fall?
Maybe. Oh, I'm just now realizing there was always 2. It wasn't changing colors.
Low, low, low,
I
low, low,
100% like confused this for a wiggle. But yeah,
Nintendo probably has that trademark.
Rude.
Ooh.
Well, probably made a safe state before we walked in here.
Well, we didn't. Yeah. It's all good.
Oh, that would have got me.
So it's not every segment. I think they stopped with 4 segments left.
Dang, that went flying. Huh. I would appreciate it if you dropped less, please. Sometimes less is more.
And this time it's all of them. This actually reminds me of... Is it Mystic Cave Zone in Sonic 2?
I think I know what you're talking about. I never really got far in the classic Sonic games because I suck at classic Sonic.
It's the one boss where Eggman drills into the ceiling and then a bunch of stalactites come down from the ceiling.
Yes. Okay, yeah, I know that one. I hated it. Oh.
Oh. We were so close.
Oh, I almost got double killed. Come on.
You did it.
Let's
Now
go.
don't move. Stage 4. You did it. Did you save state here?
Yep, I just did.
Perfect. Yeah, there's a pirate ship. And there's Pete. Don't worry, I'll save you, neighbor. Wow. Why does Twitch hate you, Raven? I don't know.
Oh.
Oops, sorry, Pete. Hey, where'd you get that swell outfit? Dad, that's not Mr. P. That's the Pirate King. Uh-oh, the pirates must think Pete is their leader.
Ruh-roh.
They sure are gonna be sore when they find out he's a used car salesman. we gotta help him. You have the notification on. I don't know what to tell you, Raven. We're at the ship.
Oh.
We might be finishing this faster than we thought.
Yeah, seems like it. Oh.
You need that, yeah. Twitch probably punishing my viewers because I turned off AI training.
I'd believe it. Daddy Bezos really needed those little bits of extra information they would have got from our streams, you know?
I'm thinking of some of the streams I watch and thinking of what they would be training on. And
They need to know how to put a bear inside of a shark hat.
Oh no. So
Put it down.
Oh, I know.
And then, yeah.
That. Here, get your gun.
Yep. Yeah, and then I'm immediately gonna use it.
So you can go downstairs. You've also been watching Coliseum all day? Just go down. It's fine. How's Colo been, Raven? I haven't been watching.
I just realized. Can we? Oh. I was gonna say, could we? Oh, we could just farm this for hire.
It's fine. Chaos. I believe it.
Control. Oh, I thought that. Oh.
I actually just found out Diggy got pushed into the fullback. Perfect. Been lurking in the Coliseum. It's fun. Good. I'm actually gonna be on Versus tomorrow night, late.
Yo.
We're doing a Mario 64 Battle Royale.
Oh.
So, it's, I think 10 p.m. Eastern. Those vile pirates have taken some of our people prisoner on their ship, Mon. If they try to go free, the pirates gonna burn our village to the ground. Oh.
I'm not gonna lie, I thought he was a pirate statue this entire time.
He showed up at like level 1. What's the arrow? Oh, that's what the arrow does.
Ah, oh, no.
If only I could catch the scimitars.
Turn into Aladdin on SNES. Oh,
Hello?
that's rude.
Oh,
Cool.
my controller died.
Oh no!
I was like, why did I stop moving? That's why.
I don't think bro's got brain cells. Oh, come on, man. Raise the roof. There we go.
All right, we got a bomb that needs to go where? Oh, okay.
Top right. And then you go kick it from below. Then I kick it to the right.
Perfect.
The more walls, the easier it is.
Right.
Okay. I got it. I got it.
I see.
Rude.
That's one way to do
And
it.
now we can get the gun.
I'll take the bell.
Yeah. Oh.
Does that do anything?
Maybe there's like a hidden switch in there.
Oh, let's see. Or it was just a get rid of everybody. I'll take that. Hey Zix, thank you for the sub.
Ooh. I didn't like how fast that went. Oh.
Not one bit.
Ooh.
This reminds me of Overcooked.
I never played Overcooked.
I didn't play the first one. I played 2 with Book Slap. Dang.
Nice.
Perfect.
Oh, I wonder if we're gonna need candles in the next room.
If you want to... I don't necessarily need
Yeah, we
them.
both got the same amount of health.
Oh, okay.
Well,
When you
now
get
we know how to
7
get
hearts,
one-ups.
that's an extra life, yeah.
Ah, I guess we don't need this right now.
I'll let you grab that, and then I'll head back down. Or not.
Ow. Good thing I just got a life.
Ooh.
Oh, that one's swell.
Oh, yeah. So you have to go from hook to hook, right?
And now we gotta find another one. Always the freaking puzzles. That.
It's okay.
That.
The block puzzles will keep us here.
Yeah, I don't think that's it.
There's only one...
I think the...
So this needs to go... If it came straight from here... Okay. That Book Slap. Yes, and then kick that to the right. And
then this up.
perfect.
Yeah.
Puyo.
Puyo.
Book Slap, did you mean Puyo, like Kirby? I don't have a Puyo Pop hat. I'm assuming that's what it meant. I should keep this stuff closer so I don't have to keep getting up in the chair.
They do this, it looks like Max is banging his head on the wall.
Here we go. Now you don't want it.
Extra lives. A single cherry.
Yeah.
Oh.
What do you say? Keelhaul Pete is forcing us to do his bidding, but there's something different about him. Maybe it's just the whale.
No. Unless we could only unlock one at a time.
Probably. And they only last for so long.
Yep.
Alright, before we start kicking, I'm going to see what this guy says too. The imposter was pretending to be Keelhaul Pete. Now they're going to make him walk the plank. And his cabin boy too.
Okay, so they open separately. Okay. So you could just kick that far right one down.
Hmm.
And then I could just...
Cool.
And then that would go... Yeah, and then... Huh.
We need the key, right?
Shit.
So if we put this up,
Yeah,
that to the side, these two
Kick those
up.
Yep, there's...
Problem. No,
Tetris.
Where's the key?
Yeah, I was just about to ask the same thing. I don't... May your heart be your guiding key.
I don't think we came in here, did we?
Well, we did, but we can't get over.
The pirates can haul Pete on the loose again. Oop. Okay, it keeps spawning me on the right side. Oh, let's just go.
Oh, damn. I did. I don't think we went up here.
I don't think we went into the whole room. Oh, we
What?
did not go into this whole room.
Excuse me, that was very rude.
Is that the key that we need, or the...
I mean, it's a keyhole. Oh, wait, do I have to, like... Oh.
The answer is yes. Why isn't it working?
Item button?
I'm pressing.
Wrong key, question mark?
Probably.
I don't trust this floor.
It's like a Mega Man stage.
Then I'll stay here. Nope. No, I won't. We're gonna need all hands on deck for this. Oh.
Hey, you did it.
Wait. How did I...
Pirates took
Oh,
the
because
imposter to their ship. Better hurry up if you want to catch them. They're about to weigh anchor. Oh. Okay, I'll get the key back. we'll go down.
Uh,
And then this room again.
I don't.
See what's up here? Nothing. Because we're going back upstairs. Because
Yeah, that just goes back to the deck.
we don't have a map button, do we?
I forget. Can we? No, we cannot. Well, I mean, can we? No.
Thank you for the woo.
Woo. Hmm.
Good. I am
Good.
so confused about this.
Yeah, I mean, I guess we'll go. Like,
Like downstairs, maybe?
Whoa. No, not the 2-hour scimitar.
It's fine.
Oh.
All right, I'll grab it then. Okay, nothing looks breakable here.
Okay. I don't know why it wasn't working in the other room, but I think I know what to do. Yep. And now we can go over there.
Magic. Oh, you want to check what's down there? Do you think we'll need the bell, or should I keep the key?
We'll keep the key. Oh, hey, there he is. Oh, that was almost really bad. That is. We need to go around. Okay. Oh?
Do we want to go
Yep.
there?
Huh. That's a. Oh, you're supposed to use the bell to like separate them. Oh yeah, they have one right there. Just spam it. Spam it.
All right. I'll grab the key before you hop back away.
Yep.
Ooh.
Sir. No. Yeah, that's what
you're
I was
trying
trying
to
to
do,
do.
So I kind of figured.
You gotta be standing on it. There you go.
Oh. Never mind. There we go. Oh.
And now we need the candles.
Need maybe.
There was some in the diamond room.
That was
Yeah, I could just grab this.
that was down.
Yeah. Yes. Hurry, Andy! Hurry! Hurry! Can I just make them walk off? No.
That works though. There's all this treasure in a puzzle.
Oh boy. Well, you need that more than I do. Oh. No. Where does it want us to... Oh, hey, boss key.
Oh, that was that key from upstairs. And that's all they wanted in here. That's what I'm seeing.
Is that it?
What it looks like. Oh, hey.
Oh. Oh.
This is like the, oh gosh. Hazy Maze Cave in Mario 64. Damn. Oh, there we go. Oh. You got it, Maxie. I think it's like, oh, I could just go through here.
Just go through the door.
All right, we need to go upstairs, right? Or no, here.
That? No. Yeah. Yeah.
What does that guy say?
Yes.
Now the real Keel Hall Pete has returned. The whale went and spit him out. Those imposters are doomed for sure.
Well done.
Great. Play and catch a bomb. We need a second, oop. So where do we get the second hook?
That's a great question. Oh, yeah, that works too. Come on.
Have you seen one recently?
What?
Hook.
Not that I remember. Oh no!
It's fine.
Oh no! Why? Why am I like this? There you go. So check out first.
There's a bell. I'm so glad when these puzzles are solved, they stay solved.
Yeah, it'd be really annoying if they didn't. Wait, I don't remember this room. There's a extra life down here.
Yeah. Was this the treasure room and now it's not anymore?
I think this is just a room we didn't go into.
Oh.
Banamba. Another Banamba. I think that's
Okay.
a door to your right. Yeah. I think we need the bell. Yeah, I think we need to. I mean, or okay, then up. Yeah, here we go. Over here. Over here.
This is easier, but or harder, but doable.
It worked.
Kind
Hey,
of.
Hey, no, over here. Over here. Please. No. Why are you like this? There it goes.
YMC. Oh.
Come on. Come on. No. Back here. There. And while you focus on me, you can attack him from behind.
Hope.
Nice. The teamwork make the dream work.
That it
And the
does.
dream work make Shrek.
It's also true.
And then yeah, we got ways back to go.
My bad.
No. Up here, right?
Yes.
Mm,
Oh wait, we went to
right.
the left. Yeah. The left was to that machine. Okay.
Oh, good. The cannon stayed dead. Oh, hey, good. The cannon stayed dead. I think this game hates us.
Or just really loves slide puzzles.
Just really love slide puzzles. I doubt this is. Yeah, no, because I just got stuck in the corner. Maybe something like that. But then. Because if we could get that way, it's just gonna get stuck in a corner.
Yep.
I mean, I might have an idea.
Okay. How?
That wasn't part of it, I swear.
Okay.
What was I thinking? Something
It
about
also kicked to this.
this
oh,
going over
I
here.
was gonna say corners,
Oh wait,
but that wouldn't work.
yeah.
Oh, down, right, down, left, up, or
I had a thought and I think I lost it.
ugh. See what when you did this, I'm like you could go down, left,
Yep.
up.
And then for this one, no, if anything, that just made it worse. Okay, so. I think already. Oh yeah, it's that. That.
Hmm.
No. Let's...
Down. Let me do this. And then could I kick?
You can,
Kick this over to the corner, and then there's a way to get something here so you can get up. Okay, you can do that, and then you can do. But
Oh. Hoping I could kick that bottom one to the right.
Unfortunately not.
The stupid 4-sprite steering wheel.
Failure.
Rude. Just because it's true doesn't mean you have to say it out loud. We are the block.
Yeah. It's not heavy enough, and or this isn't Ban. Oh wait.
Yes.
Now to figure out how to make this side work. Okay. Kick that to the left.
This one?
Yep. Now kick it down.
Ah, yes. Big brain mode. Let's go.
Alright, left or down?
That's kind of done here.
What is this? Legend of Zelda? Playing some
I was just gonna
tennis?
say this is the Phantom Ganon.
Alright, now if only one of us had a bell, this would be a lot easier.
Get stun locked, nerd.
Those are continues, right?
Maybe. Father, help!
I'm working on it. Now you can come get your own grappling hook.
I already have one.
Oh.
We somehow ended up with an extra grappling hook when we only needed the one.
Fun fact, all pirates can turn into beach balls. That is a fun fact.
Oh, okay.
Sweet.
Nice. Had a little Spyro flashback there.
Boss.
Is it the Tasmanian tiger? Oh no.
Get ready for a one-way trip to Davy Jones's locker.
Like the SpongeBob Davy Jones, or like are we oh! Oh, well. You had 2 grappling hooks. Treat it like Twilight Princess.
I haven't played Twilight Princess.
You should.
I know. Uh-oh.
Somehow in the HD version on the Wii U, I managed to fall through the floor in like one of the very first areas. I think you can also use the grappling hook and pick up the bombs from a distance.
Okay. I have to remember what button the grappling hook was.
Bro just ran into his own bomb. You know, I don't think muskets work like that.
I don't think so. We have to start from the beginning. No,
No,
good.
just here. But it's fine. Save state. I doubt we'll need it, but
Maybe.
okay, no.
Oh, he jumped over it.
He did. He jumps after you hit him once with the bomb, so you
Yeah.
gotta, like, wait a second.
I'm impatient.
No, no. Oh.
Dang.
Oh my god, you can't shoot me, I'm a kid! Okay. What?
Is the final boss. You can't expect it to be easy. I'm assuming this is the final boss since it's Pete. But not
The secret
Pete.
final boss is actually Mickey Mouse.
Secret final boss is actually Pete. Not
It's
Captain
actually
Pete.
Sora from Kingdom Hearts. This was actually his originating game.
Pirates are kid shooters, that's true. Already calling for reinforcements?
They're just that good. Oh.
Ah.
Good. Wow. The disrespect. No, I'm not gonna touch that.
Oh wait, no.
God, this feels like a fight from Super Mario World.
Little too chunky to be Sans Undertale.
Sans Undertale's a little bit wide.
But Pete is Lorch.
People can cosplay.
That's true.
Max sacrificed himself for his country.
Of Toontown? Oh wait, no.
A part of me wants us to actually play Toontown since someone actually made like fan-made servers for it.
Right?
Like I tried playing that as a kid a little bit, and I had fun. It's just that paywall, but now there's no paywall.
Ah.
I need someone to do the same with Wizard 101. Oh no! No! Oh, wait,
So, somehow I
I guess
escaped.
you just gotta wiggle enough.
Dang it.
Bang. No man, I'm actually using that same stick.
Where's Jim Cummings when you need him?
He's still coming.
Have him voice over the Pirate Pete voices.
Do you think Pirate Pete and regular Pete sound the same?
Oh yeah. Why is it so difficult?
So that way you have to rent it more than once from Blockbuster.
Were we that good at games as a kid?
Sometimes. Dang, he just really shot his own man. Is like, yeah, not my problem. Damn. I don't know. I think the crew would have actually liked the other Pete more.
Another whistle? Okay.
Ah.
Somehow that worked.
It's always good to have a meat shield around.
Mm-hmm.
I'm surprised. Oh, never mind. I spoke too soon. You got this. Meat shields.
Okay, back on the stage.
Ha!
Oh, dog of wisdom, lend us your wisdom. Ugh.
I did not mean to press that, but you know, it was perfectly timed.
It was.
I was going
Okay.
for I was going for spin. No.
Bum.
Bombs? Oh. Well. Nope. That's not up. Part of me feels like it's easier to play this with the joystick, but I also feel like it's sacrilegious.
Right. He does up and shoot his crewmate.
Yeah, like, I don't know. I think they should reconsider the other Pete being captain. Oh.
Now I want to know how people speedrun this game at this battle.
Andy, when we're learning the two-player speedrun.
Hey, Dragonstorm, welcome in.
We gotta become the masters of Goof Troop.
Silly block. Oh, when did you die?
5 seconds ago.
Thanks, bud. Right in the back.
Back shots. You dying gave me the perfect time to go and get my glasses repair kit, because I'm only just now realizing that the little, like, nose light guard just disappeared.
Good timing. Not good enough, but we
got
have some
this.
continues.
We have as many continues as we need.
Exactly.
The continues were the friends we made along the way.
Yeah. I didn't wiggle enough.
Like, do you just have to like wiggle your way out of that?
I don't know. Oh,
Sir,
That
I
was
can't
not
hit
a
you with
good
your
version.
bombs if you keep blowing them up yourself. Boom! Triple damage, one cycle.
Nice.
I could speedrun this. Minus the RG it probably takes.
right.
When did you die?
About 15 seconds ago. This was not a good round for me.
Ah. Well, apparently I'm also throwing. You know, we thought this was going to be quick for it being the last level. It's been an hour and a half.
Nice.
Ooh. Ooh. Ooh.
So if you had to add someone from Goof Troop that wasn't Pete into Kingdom Hearts, who would it be?
Oh, Max, 100%.
Mhm.
Max is like my favorite of the Goofy Kid family.
So, Goofy movie level or Goofy Troop level?
I grew up with the Goofy movie and Extremely Goofy movie.
I'm imagining like the principal from the school being the Heartless or something.
You need to get Max's friend that just eats the cheese can.
The hippie.
Yeah. Oh, do we hit him with our hook shot when he gets someone else?
No. I was just doing the same strategy from Banjo-Kazooie Grunty's Revenge, because there's an enemy that
Oh.
attaches to you, and the only way to kill it is or to get away from it is pushing left and right repeatedly until it disappears.
No.
Wiggle.
Okay, yeah. Just freak out and you'll be able to live. Okay. Shoot. Yeah. Yeah.
Perfect.
No. Ah.
No.
I didn't know he got me. No. You know, we're just practicing for them speed runs. There you go. Fun fact, all pirate captains survive multiple bombs. You know, I kind of
Makes
noticed
sense.
that. It's from the lack of fruit they eat. The scurvy
scurvy?
actually gives them explosion immunity. Yeah.
Yeah. All right.
Hey, Andy, did you know we're on a one-way trip to Davy Jones' locker?
Something like I heard that from someone. What just happened?
We hit him with 2 bombs, and he decided to hit us both at the same time. And he doesn't like me.
You sure about that?
This is the level of targeting I feel whenever I play Monster Hunter.
I think you were the one looking up the stats and stuff from the last time we played this. Do you have any idea how many hits? Ooh. Dead. Okay. He's res by Tasmanian Devils. Exactly, all caps.
12.
Do you say 12?
12.
Okay.
You know, I'm just gonna... so that we don't have to watch the animation every time.
Get ready for a one-way trip down Davy Jones' locker.
What? Oh, I think bullet hit you.
Yeah.
Very rude. Alright, so that's what, 2? 10 more to go?
2.
No!
3. Oh no. Thank you. Ah.
Gosh dang it. I wonder if Crash Bandicoot stole his moveset from him. Oh yeah, wait. There you go. Whoa. No, I didn't mean to. I'm sorry. Well, that's karma.
Is there a mod that gives you a boomerang sword? Wouldn't that be nice? So that's 4, right?
Think so, yeah. 5.
That was too well placed. Alright.
Oh. Oh, right. Just
I
hold
was
our
stuck in
hands
the
up.
corner. I could not even...
Put my hands up, playing my song.
That was 3, right?
Fly away. I think so.
5.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is Mumbo number 5. Nope, it is no longer Mumbo number 5. Why did I think I could hit it? Delicious. Oh yeah. I just think I'm Neo from the Matrix. Oh. Aha. Dang it. 3, 4. No. 5.
Maybe 6. 7. Oh.
185 more.
Thank you.
Hey. That's RNGesus right there.
Dang.
Womp womp. No.
This is harder than any Ganon fight I've ever fought.
Yeah. Oh. Hmm. I had an easier time with the first boss of Cuphead.
Dang it.
Gosh dang it, Goofy.
Dang it. Oh, also going back to the Kingdom Hearts thing, would it be a teenage Max or a kid Max?
See,
Or
if Max
adult
was there
Max.
from the beginning, I think it would make sense for, like, Max to start off as, like, a kid in 1, and then by 2, he becomes a teenager, kind of like Sora.
Mm-hmm.
But since he's just kind of existing, I feel like he would be a teenager now. Depending on how long Donald and Goofy's been on their journey and who's been babysitting.
Have you ever watched House of Mouse?
Yes.
Where Max was like a waiter there?
Yeah. It's not something I watched often because it was only on, I think, Disney XD where I
Toon
lived.
Disney, yeah. Back in the day.
Yeah, so it was rare when I got to watch it. Like, I rarely also got to see, like, the Timon and Pumbaa show.
That was like the one time they actually brought back Roxanne too. Roxanne?
I think so. Come on, Andy, we can't lose to a guy with no depth perception.
I have no depth perception.
You don't?
I'm really bad if I do.
Oh. Note to self, don't play dodgeball with Andy. Oh.
I wouldn't consider this final boss music.
Yeah, it feels like mid-boss music.
Mm-hmm.
Or like heavy cutscene, like, well, not heavy, but like dramatic cutscene.
Mm-hmm.
Shoot him. That works too. Oh. No. Stop that.
If someone tries to touch you without your permission, say no. That's no good. That's what Sonic
That's
taught me.
no good.
I've been watching the Adventures of Sonic the Hedgehog, and all the Sonic says are interesting.
I bet. I can only imagine how well they aged.
Well, it depends on, like, some episodes, there's some really good ones that are still timeless, and there are some that have definitely aged themselves.
Yeah, I didn't grow up with that. I grew up with Sonic Underground.
Hmm. There you go. I didn't think you could get both of them.
Neither did I. I have no clue how many hits we've done this run.
Yeah, I haven't been keeping track. Oh.
Not that it matters anymore now.
Hey, pause. Oh.
I'm going to assume they don't count when he's in a tornado.
Probably not. Wanted to try, though. Ugh. Nope. Okay.
Nope.
It's like a good goof evening. Yes. We're in what I assume is the final boss.
I hope so. If it's not the final boss, we spend an embarrassingly amount of time on this.
There's two.
Yeah, we gotta do phase 2, where it's actually Pete doesn't want to go home.
3, 4.
Or maybe we meet Pirate Pete's wife, and then she's the boss.
5.
Hmm. Got a Glock in my Rari.
7.
What? Bruh. Oh, okay.
8. Dang it.
No. This is it. This is the run. We got this.
One, 2. Three, 4. Five, 6.
6.
7,
8.
8.
Nine.
9, 10. 11.
11.
It's either 10 or 11 because I wasn't sure if one actually hit. Ah.
Nope. Nope. Two gun. Nope.
Oh, dang it. That was 11.
Ah. Google could have also lied.
Also true.
Okay, so when you... Okay. I'm kind of noticing a pattern with the gun and the bombs. Whoop.
This
Nope.
only is next. Go for it. Oh,
No!
Mm.
It's up to you, Andy.
Hey, book slap. Dang it.
Ooh.
I can pause. Okay. Gonna take a drink real
Mhm.
quick.
Go for it.
And stretch. Okay. Dang it.
Yes!
Hey, it was 12.
Yeah!
Use those iframes.
It only took 2 hours! Oh, sorry, I mean 43 minutes. That's it. No credits or anything, just congratulations.
We have to get to
Achievement
the
unlocked. So cool, so
Well,
goof.
we got the bad guys, but I wonder where Pete and PJ are. Gorsh, I sure hope this was the right pirate ship.
Can you imagine if this wasn't the right pirate ship?
Right. I hope the pirates didn't make shark food out of them. Somebody get over here and help us. Hey, that sounded like Pete. Come on. Actually, it didn't sound. I'm sorry. Hey, now you can go to the Parliament concert. Oh no, they're serving a Mr. P and PJ combo platter to that alligator. That's strange. It's not even dinner time yet. Oh, Goofy. Help us! Give me a hand here, Max. Let's reel him in.
Do we have to, Dad?
Nothing like a relaxing day of fishing, eh, Mac? Why does it always go back to fishing? Right, Dad.
Goofy just likes to fish.
Oh, I was talking about me. Everything seems to go back to fishing. Wait, what? Is this like the credits?
This
demo?
is the. I think this is the demo in the beginning.
But in credits.
Oh no,
form.
it is. They're telling us the names of the enemies. I think.
Jolly. Roger. That makes sense. 2 pirates are Jolly and Roger. It's an interesting way to have a character parade. Jack, okay. Also pirate name. Oh, this is our favorite room. Rob. Jester, okay. What are the beach balls called? Rap. Okay. The Jester Hole. Oh, the big bear. I think. Firebug. The thing's literally pulled out of Link to the Past. Red Skeleton and Blue Skeleton. They didn't even get cool names. Green Rumbler and Red Rumbler. And then, was it Real something Peter? Keel Hall Pete, that's right. Islander, okay. Max and Goofy, as if we didn't know who we were playing this whole time. Now for actual credits? Now for actual credits. Alright. So, Watermelon, what'd you think of the game? I think you might have gone away. Yuki Satomura. We did it. We made it to the end. All right. Well, that was a fun little game. We'll let the ads run out. You don't need no feedback.
My mic muted itself.
I was like, why? I thought you just like left.
No, I was sitting here talking. It's just my mic said no. But no, the game was fun. It was very cute. I had a lot of. It was fun to sit down and play through.
Good. I mean, this has been a couple years in planning.
In the making.
Yeah. But we did it.
It's fine. We finally got there.
Yeah. Now, what do we want to do next?
That's what I was asking when my mic was muted.
Gotcha. See, we had talked about you have not played Mario Party 3 on the Switch Online yet.
I have not.
Would you like to do a board of that?
Sure.
That's easy enough. So let's do that. Let's switch off. I don't know if people need to take a break or anything like that, but
Give me a second to try and fix my glasses.
that works. See, I got the ones that don't have the nose guards because mine broke all the time.
Mm-hmm.
So,
Understood. Yeah.
just
I just need new glasses. I've been wearing the same pair for like, God, probably 2-3 years now.
I can add this to the list of games that I finished on stream too.
You can. That's not what I want to close. I want to close RetroArch.
And then open up my Switch. Which means I need to switch controllers. Alright, let's see. That. Alright. And then, oh wow, I actually have Mario Party 3 must have been the last thing that I played on here. And I can't just send you an invite apparently.
I think I have to like search for the room or something.
Oh, there's the invite a friend. I have so many. I need to actually turn this down at some point. Trim it down, my friends list. There's a lot of people that I haven't played with in years. So you've played Mario Party 3 just in general, right?
Yeah, I have a box copy of it.
Nice. I got a repro of it.
It's my favorite.
Mm-hmm. Do you have a favorite board?
Not really. The ones I remember the most are the one with the snowman and then the underwater one.
Oh, the first two. Okay.
Yeah.
I want to say Freezy DP.
Oh, there's
it's not
also
Freezy
is
DP.
there also a desert one?
Yes.
Yeah, it's been a hot minute.
I did send you an invite. Hopefully you can get it.
Yep. I see it now. Closest software using. I mean, sure, you know I'm in that software. Oh, I got download an update.
There's so many interesting games here on Nintendo 64 Online, like Rayman 2.
Oh, I forgot about that. Well,
And
I'm just glad that Japan players got Mother 3 again.
Yeah. Wouldn't that have been wild if they would have like translated and been like, "Here you go," and the
They would
internet would have
never.
gone crazy.
I feel like they're doing it out of spite now.
I should probably change the
Oh,
category.
the category?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Partying, yeah, with watermelon work. Because it's Friday.
New games were
Friday.
at. Oh, wait, no. You're not on with the single controller. Yeah. Yes. 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 This is the controller.
Or Pokemon Puzzle League. I sometimes randomly will play it just so I can listen to the MIDI versions of the To Be a Master soundtrack.
Yeah, I like the MIDI versions of the songs, but like when I played it for the first time, like I swear I played a plug and play that was exactly just this. Yes, there we go. Now, where the hell's that screw?
No,
What a beautiful red bar.
Oh, this will be fine.
Oh, wait, no, it's 3-star now. Or 3-bar.
3-bar. I will take 3-bar.
Oh,
Right.
that screw's way too long. What the fuck?
Mario Party 3!
Over here. Party mode. I haven't gotten all the heads on the back. Mario Stone image is done. Yay. We want Battle Royale now. Battle Royal? There's no E at the end? Is that right?
I think so.
I should probably turn the sound down.
Hot tumble? Probably. How many?
We got 2 players.
Good choice.
All right, who's your computer player? I'll let you pick one.
Let's go with Donkey Kong, and then you pick the other one. Good choice.
All right. How are you feeling difficulty-wise?
Let your heart lead the way.
Super hard. No handicap here. All right, map. We got Chilly Waters. We got Deep Bloober Sea. We've got Spiny Desert. Then there's Woody Woods.
We've played enough Woody Woods in the other Mario Party game.
Creepy Cavern, Waluigi's Island, and
I don't think I've
That's
ever
it.
played Waluigi's Island.
it's different.
Define different.
There's a whole island that changes what space it is every turn or every number of turns, and then there's a center area that you have to jump on and to decide which way you go.
Oh, that sounds.
Do you want to do it, or do you want to do like Chilly Waters or Spiny Desert? I have no preference.
Let's go with Spiny Desert.
Spiny Desert. There we go. It is the middle of summer. Number of turns, we're just going to do a good old 20. All mini games, of course. Bonuses, of course. We might need them to beat the super hards. Daisy on super hard.
What could possibly go wrong?
Since we're playing on NSO, there will be some audio fun things.
What? No, NSO is flawless.
Alright. Turn order. Perfect. DK's first. Then Yosh. Then Daisy. Then Wah. 10 coins each. Let's go.
You know, there's
yeah.
nothing stopping them from adding the Mario Party games to GameCube for this, and then allowing us to use the built-in microphone or something for the microphone in the games.
Oh, right. I mean, there are microphone games now on Mario Party, Super Mario Party, whatever the newest one is.
Yeah.
Jamboree. Oh. Well, that's fun. This is about here. There we go. My favorite thing about this, the Mario Party 3 boards is the details in the not board.
The background?
Yeah, the background. Hide and sneak. Oh yeah, this one. You need to refresh on the rules? You just hide. We'll pick this one. Nope. Ooh, this is gonna be a tough one. I'm gonna pick green because it's Yoshi colored.
Dang.
I'm the best. Okay.
Boom.
You remember the gimmicks of this stage, right?
There's like a day and a night side or something like that? Or like something with the whirlpools of sand.
Yes. Well, the question mark spaces on each take you to the other side. Perfect. And then there's 2 stars. One is a fake mirage, and the other is real.
Yeah.
And then there's also a way to cross where you have to jump over cactuses. Do I want to choose the Bowser space or not the Bowser space?
Why not choose Bowser space?
Hey, it's this one.
Yay!
Well, the super hard computers are sometimes like ridiculous. Dude. Let's go.
Go!
Let's go. Literally, all I did was spam the Z button until like the very end. It was a risky move, but sometimes it pays off.
Sometimes all you need to do is that risky business.
Hey, you're poor. There's the cactuses.
Cacti?
Is it cacti? Oh no.
I think so. No, the game just started, so there's really nothing to lose.
That's fair.
I'd rather it now instead of later on down the road and switching all my stars with her.
What's Daisy giving to who?
She's giving
to me
Waluigi
a
1
single
coin.
coin per... Oh, she doesn't have a... That's right.
I think that Daisy should get a negative coin.
Right. One. Now we're all bullying Daisy.
Are we?
Or well, she's trying to bully us. Luckily, a lot of these
Try not to get
levels,
wet.
a lot of these games are in the newer Mario Party games,
Yeah.
so it's not like you've not seen them lately. Almost.
No!
Oh wow,
Come on, Donkey Kong!
that's. I haven't done that in forever.
What, beefed it?
Yeah. Not against a computer player.
But it's super hard computer player.
That's fair. Thankfully, we have our super hard Donkey Kong.
Yeah, he's there in Kirk's place.
Yeah, exactly. And Daisy's there in Bookslap's place. Oh, I thought it was going to give him like a rare item. Some of the rare items in here are ridiculous.
I don't even remember half of them.
There's one that literally turns it to the last 5 turns, so you can either make it more or less turns. There's one that sends whoever you want to Game Guy. There's one that is a barter box, but you can pick what item and from whom.
Dang.
Almost.
I have 2 cell phones.
Your personal and your work cell phone, right?
Yeah.
Good job. Got the star space, but no money. Did. Can't afford it now, but that's fine.
It's not a matter of you can afford it, but if anyone else can afford it.
That's true. Who's the one? I'm the one. Okay. Z or left trigger.
Daisy! I don't think my GameCube
slap.
controller likes this.
Were you doing the left trigger to?
Yeah, it's left bumper on the GameCube controller. That little nub.
Oh, it is an actual Z button, isn't it?
Yeah.
Welcome back, Book Slap. How was your workout?
Hopefully it worked out.
Tired and quit slightly early to make dinner. Oh. What's for dinner? Because I know you got those boxes.
I wonder if it's food.
I hope so.
I really hope it's food.
It's the fake. We are currently at a rate of 1 disc only intro per minute. That's good, right? Or is that low? Oh,
Well,
low main. Nice. Battle game.
Perfect, everyone can pay, except for Daisy.
Except for Daisy. Three-door Monty. Oh yeah. Toad, Boo, and Koopa enter the castle. Remember which door and then select the door ABZ. If you choose the wrong answer, you're out. Alright. ABZ.
ABC.
Y'all ready?
Yep.
Okay.
Let's go.
You do have them on super hard, so I can't blame myself.
Yeah, you purposely picked the AI that cheats.
Yeah. Like, I don't know if there's any way that I could have those reflexes.
Be a robot yourself.
That's fair. A thwomp pull.
I was kind of hoping for reckless relay.
So this one is the one where you have to press ABZ to move your sled.
And you all have one button.
I'm B.
Pressed.
Yep. Jeez, Donkey Kong.
Oh my god. Yeah, I should have just played this with my Pro Controller.
Jeez. Daisy and Donkey Kong were kind of scary.
I wonder if who's going to win between Daisy and Donkey
Daisy.
Kong.
So, Kurik or Book Slap?
Yeah. Does Kurik or Book Slap win?
Oh, wait.
Ruh-roh.
Despite having... Daisy has more... But I have the magic lamp.
I forgot
Everybody
how
cheated.
the boos were in this. In the newer games, they don't do crap.
Okay, that's karmic. I'll take it. Okay. We got,
Father.
as Chugger Conroy calls it, Sexy Bowser. How?
Donkey Kong paid off Bowser.
Apparently. Remember in like Mario Party, was it 5 or 6, where Donkey Kong would just like punch Bowser if he landed on this Donkey Kong space?
Honestly, no. I never really played much of 5 or 6.
I didn't either. I just watched a lot of YouTube videos on, well, Runaway Guys.
Yeah, I tried because like we set up 4, 5, 6, and 7 on Dolphin for multiplayer. And we played a little bit of 4, and that was it.
Right, so we just have to change our direction and swim and not get caught.
Yes, we have to be fish. No! That's what I'm saying.
Do you remember where that clip came from originally?
I know, I think... I just remember Pi saying a lot.
Yeah, it was Pi, because he heard that from, Lady Gaga's, the 911 song.
Mm.
And it was something that was said a lot in Justice's stream at the time.
Yeah?
So when he heard it and clipped it, and then it became a staple. And then I stole it.
As you should. No one else is using it. May as well make it your own.
I wasn't sure if I would actually win that.
You did it. You helped me win the minigame.
I did. Teamwork.
Makes the dream work.
Also, I didn't want Donkey Kong to win because he stole all my coins.
That's valid. That's valid. Oh, I don't know why for a second I thought you landed on another Bowser space.
Oh, he didn't grab the boo repellent? Good. Less good.
It's fine. That just means now Daisy's going to target him whenever she gets 50 coins.
It's true. Although it looks like you need a skeleton key to get to Boo. Alright.
Oh. Wow. Really? You shouldn't have.
Well, which one's the Mirage?
Oh, it's going to be hilarious if the one up ahead isn't the Mirage. Or no, the one I'm on isn't the Mirage.
Ugh.
Do you think that's like a Sarlacc pit?
Yes.
Oh boy, another item!
Dory dip. You get to abuse a Dory.
It's just AA, right?
AZ.
Daisy.
Yeah, back in the Nintendo 64 days, ground pound was AZ. That's why I get confused so much when it's AA now.
Yeah, I was doing AA for the entire Coconut minigame.
Ooh.
Alright, I'll take it.
You're probably going for the other lamp, but Barter Box is a good.
Honestly, I kind of wanted the Bowser phone.
Oh.
Lady Gaga's telephone, but it's just Mario Party and the Bowser phone.
I cannot afford it, even if it is. Okay. Well, that was a unfortunate series of events.
But hey, at least your uncle didn't try to put you in a car in the train tracks.
That's true. All right. Roll boulders, and you run uphill.
Wait. I never noticed that thing he's using has eyes. I hate that. I remember it was one of the newer games I played this mini game, and I got to the top and it still said I lost. No, no! Daisy! Daisy! No! Well.
I'm the best. Oh, wait. Alright, better. Had to go put my Waluigi hat on. Get into the game. Hey, Watermelon, it looks like there's nothing on your OBS or on your stream right now, except for us talking.
I keep pressing buttons, trying to fix my glasses.
Oh.
I think I keep
Figured I'd let
accidentally
you know.
touching the space bar.
Oop.
The genie.
Not as fun as the genie of, I think, Mario Party 2, or no, 4? 4. Because the gigantic one that just stomps you and you go flying.
Huh.
Also, the Nintendo 64 Spinies from Mario 64 rather than the ones that are now.
Okay. Now they're Pokies.
Yeah. Or Pokies, yeah. That's what I meant.
I can't believe you dead named a Pokey. Aw.
Wait, who's the... Oh, it's Donkey Kong. We're just trying not to get killed.
Yep.
Oh, someone's cooking or baking something. I can smell it.
Ooh, what's the smell telling you it is?
It smells almost like popcorn.
No!
But it literally could be anything because there's a street festival about 2 blocks away. that has like food trucks and carnival food and all that fun stuff.
I think I'd be upset if a street carnival was happening on the street and I didn't smell delicious foods.
Right. Hopefully tomorrow I'll get a funnel cake or something.
Oh, it's been over like 2 decades since I've had a funnel cake.
That long? Dang.
Yeah. Whenever people go to a fair or whatever, I was like, please, just deep fried Oreos, please.
Ooh, deep fried Oreos are good too. I also, at one point, I went to a festival and got a deep fried Reese cup. That was
I
really
can see
good.
that working out.
Yeah. Oh. Now, is Daisy gonna get
Another item space.
And unfortunately, you can't do it. Where is the star even now? I think down here, isn't
I
it?
think it's another start, right?
You want a deep fried Reese cup? Same pause. Oh, it's like near the beginning. So really the only way to get to it is with a skeleton key or a magic lamp. Picture imperfect. Oh yeah, this one. Hit the block and make it look like the middle, or the picture.
Oh, just no Mario?
Yep.
Nope. Nope. I'm at Orc Mario. Oh no, Old Man Mario. With no
Yeah.
nose.
Mine was EGAD, basically.
Yours look like if Mario was like an old school, like, hippie.
Right. Ugh. So I hate to curse it, but as of right now, this multiplayer has gone relatively smooth,
Yeah, I'm surprised.
streaming-wise. Okay. As long as I'll take Awful Tower. I don't care if the beat goes on.
I just want eat a pizza.
This one just move and jump up the tower.
It's the Beanstalk minigame, but the blocks move.
Pretty much. How? Last time I played this game, I could not play this game for the life of me. Somehow it just clicked.
There was the little audio desync.
Yeah.
A little bit of wibble warble.
Oh, deep fried Twinkies are really good too.
I'm a big Twinkie person.
Oh, really?
Uh,
I mean, they last forever. They could last the apocalypse, you know? Oh, you can... That's another way to get down there.
Oh, yeah, I totally meant to do that.
Yeah, you totally did down. Oh. How do you like RNG?
I didn't know that we were still playing Dokapon Kingdom.
this one's not too bad. If you beat him regularly, you get double. If you get on number 7, you'll get 10 times your coin count.
Alright, so I just need higher than before.
Yep. Literally. Good job.
I was honestly expecting to go overboard with that, but you know what? It worked out. Yes, golden coin shower for Yoshi. Now when do I get to spam my Yoshi sticker that's questionable?
Well, you can press the left trigger or the L button.
Yeah. I'm surprised I never made a Mario Party where like besides what was it, 2 that had like the costumes.
2, yeah.
Like, I think it'd be pretty easy to slap some like cool cosmetics to work towards in like the shop or something.
Right? He's sort of almost. So, almost like when they did Mario Kart Tour, how they had all the extra. Okay, this one is literally aim and fire. Shoot Bowser, baby Bowser. I'm so bad at this one.
I think I'm doing good despite my glasses.
Jeez, they did pretty much double us.
There was no chance of us winning with the 2 computers together. It would have to be like purely luck based.
Right. Did you know that there's actually tools that you can make custom Mario Party levels?
I think so. I think I've seen only one person like do that though.
Was it me? Because
Maybe?
I made one custom level that was based on the Bundy Bear Arcade.
Rolls a 0 somehow.
Actually a mirage. 2 mirages.
There were 2 mirages this time.
BRB, gotta check my aim. Anyway, that's MSN. My bad. Okay, isn't that where the Mirage was last time?
Great question. No quiero Taco Bell.
Uh-oh, time to bully Waluigi. In Title Toss. Did we just play this? We did.
Yes. Yes, we did. So, what about Waluigi being bullied?
Time for Waluigi to bully everyone. I was actually impressed that I was able to get those both.
Yeah, I can't complain. Like that was clean as hell.
Also has a plunder chest. You can use your plunder chest.
Use my plunder chest to get his plunder chest. Plunder each other's chest.
Right.
You know what? I will. Get skeleton key.
Yeah.
I knew it. I knew it.
Nice. Call us
Toad,
again.
you could at least resell like an item or two.
Right. Oh, that's good for you, I think.
Yeah, that's either puts me next to the Mirage Star or
Which was the Mirage Star last time, so I'm like, is it?
Surely it wouldn't be the Mirage Star twice.
Although it would be really funny if it was. Especially since Daisy's about to get it.
Wow!
And she has a skeleton key and could steal a star.
I mean, I have a skeleton key, though I can't steal a star.
She has 51 coins right now.
Not if we jump her.
She has I think 20 turns or 20 steps to go still. She's probably gonna go for me. I kind of figure it's gonna happen. Yeah. Although she can't afford anything anymore. Thank you for not going to the battle game. Oh my gosh.
Who gave Daisy the action replay?
What do you got?
Item back.
That's true, I don't have anything.
What if you get a rare item from it?
Could, potentially. But nope.
Nope.
2 skeleton keys
Skeleton
and a
key.
reverse mushroom.
Yep. Me when yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. I am Lord.
Lord. Yeah. Oh, good. Snowball Summit. B, tap B repeatedly to make your snowball, and then move, and then A to push it.
Oh yeah, I like this one.
Dang it. Yeah. Got it.
Part of me was like, I should start begging for a truce.
I think in this one, if you lose, no one gets anything. It's not like Super Mario Party Superstars or whatever,
Ooh.
whichever one has that. Who is he gonna plunder? I wonder. Thanks. Now he can steal a star too.
Well, hey, at least now you have an extra slot to buy an item. Not like you needed 2 skeleton keys anyway.
That's true. So, do you think he'll steal the star from Daisy?
I hope so, because I don't want to take it from me. Where is it?
Where was the other?
Oh, I was off by 1.
Bowser, I swear, if you give her coins. Okay, that's fine.
Actually gets a 10,000 coin prize.
Well, Donkey Kong already got that. Wait a second, let me... Oh, it's over there. Okay. Or up there.
Or.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 or higher. That is not an 8 or higher. Okay, winner's wheel. Go for that Boo Bell. On the money.
Nice.
That was what I wanted to get anyway from Baby Bowser's store. I was just hoping for that rare item. Ooh, now we get to bully Daisy. Oh. Okay, so this is everything's different. Daisy's that, DK's A, B. Mine's the A, up A, down A, up B, down B, and yours is tap A repeatedly.
Perfect.
Awesome.
Do you like being the 1 or the 3 on this one?
I actually like being the 2 in this one. Is that weird?
Oh, I like be the 1 on the bottom or 1 on the top, but no,
the
that's
bottom.
not weird.
Yeah. I like to be in the 3.
Mm-hmm.
Sorry, I didn't realize DK is that fast.
Damn, Daisy, what the hell?
There you go. There's just so many unique ways to handle the vehicles in this one.
Yeah.
I just like it.
Yeah, I definitely like the bullet bill car and the second area one.
Mm-hmm. Mario throws the coolest party, definitely. How's my girl doing? She's cheating.
Yeah.
She stole my star. A little salty about it.
Lose all coins. Bowser communism.
Oh, it's not on there. Hey, he can't steal a star now. Can someone play the cube? I'm in 4th place right now, Book Slap.
Oh, I forgot I could choose which one.
Yep. Battle Game or Bowser?
Well, I will not lose my star.
True. Does he do that in this game?
What? Oh!
Steal stars.
No, I don't think so.
Storm. Oh gosh.
Storm. The
You have
freaking
the-
warrior running around.
Yep.
Yeah.
I kind of wish it would have been the Chomp one because the Chomp one's literally RNG.
Yeah.
It's
This
not
is
quite
just
Bowser's
fighting for
Big
your
Blast.
life to stand
Yeah.
up your cloud.
It's to keep your piranha plant moist.
I mean, Yoshi could just like eat it. Yeah, I've definitely not won this.
I think I forgot who I was for a second. I
Yeah.
don't think I won that one. Find a spot. Daisy.
Yeah, I didn't get shit.
Ugh. Daisy killed everybody else.
Pretty coin? No.
No pity coins.
Illusion.
Perfect. She doesn't need another star. Although she's going to be right next to it. Thinking.
But she won't have enough of it if you use a Boo Bell.
I'm literally thinking that. All the streams died? My stream's still up, isn't it?
It says mine's still going though. I did say I dropped some frames.
Oh, the Coliseum streams.
Ah.
At least she doesn't have boo repellent.
Yeah, that would have sucked. Dang, now you could steal a star.
When I get back over there.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Well, hey, more money.
Special bonus of nothing.
Oh, boy.
Spotlight swim. When you're swimming
yeah.
and we have to
On the
spotlight
fish in
you.
Yep. Let's go!
Perfect. I'm the best.
I fixed my glasses so now I can win.
I just realized for pretty much the entirety of this, since we've moved to Mario Party, my vertical stream has not had gameplay on it at all. I love that for me.
That was even a thing. Daisy's gonna win. Oh, yeah. You know what? Yeah.
Yeah, Daisy's a loser. Because Bowser. All caps, she's talking about Coliseum. Oh. $25.
Jesus.
We never get chance times this much.
It's because I'm here.
It's true. 2 stars.
2 stars. To Waluigi, Daisy, Donkey Kong.
Oh. Well, thanks, bud.
Kirk wasn't here, so he has to help you in spirit.
I guess. Haven't played Mario Party 3 in a long time. One of my favorites. Same.
Mm-hmm. This is my Mario Party nostalgia right here.
So you're going to get an item space? You didn't want
I'll
to
go to the
blue?
bank. Oh yeah. Okay. I didn't see that there was a blue space there.
Ha ha ha.
Star said, "Get out of here, you broke bee." I just now noticed her crown's red in her profile.
Yep. It is in game too.
Huh.
In Mario Party 3 at least.
Treadmill grill.
Don't get burned and don't fall off. You can fight each other too, and ground pound. It's basically Fall Guys.
I haven't touched that for a minute. Is he even alive still?
Yeah.
Glad Donkey Kong. I saw that. Donkey Kong, stop! Oh.
Yeah, she deserved that. Hold up. Yep, no one gets anything. Also, I love when Donkey Kong's in 4th place because of his picture is just him like looking at doing the ooh-woos.
Yeah. For a second, like I didn't register that his eyes were like slightly kind of like drooped, like he's sad. I thought he was just like bug-eyed, stared at you like across the room creepily.
The house lost power. Ah, that would do it. I love how Daisy has 6 coins total and still winning. Exactly, JJ. What to... Okay, fine. I'll take that. That's exactly what I have.
Ooh.
Let's do it.
What?
1v3. And everybody gets coins in this one. This one we're on the the back of the.
All right, let's get to 50 so I can steal a set from Daisy. As if Donkey Kong's gonna let us get any coins.
Donkey Kong, are you okay?
Oh.
Get that. There you go. Thanks, DK. Really looking out for us.
I love when DK throws.
Literally gave us 26 coins. Love Mario Party. Same Fruit of Doom.
Perfect.
Oh no.
Mm-hmm.
Did DK get this again?
Mm-hmm.
Yoshi. Oh. Are you kidding me? DK's Kirk's conspiring to let Bookslap win. Well, now there's no choice on who you're stealing a star from.
Yeah.
Neither of us was invited. That's true. This was an off the cuff. We finished Goof Troop. Now what game?
Only like 5 minutes ago, I'm like, we could have played Donkey Kong 2-player.
We thought about doing that. The Donkey Kong Country is like alternate 2-player, right?
Yeah. I really want to play what is it, Donkey Kong Country Returns.
Haven't played that one yet.
The only time I played it was when it was on, and Charlie had it on the original Wii, and that was when every time I would shake my wrist to do the thing, my wrist would like crack constantly.
Oh jeez. All right, AZ.
Monkey in a barrel.
Daisy.
Daisy. Daisy's throwing.
She was throwing, but I threw back. DK even get in that situation. The rules of Mario Party.
I like to think that the toad and the star just shoved him in the barrel.
Yeah. Oh, too bad none of us have a plunder chest. To finally sit down and eat. Awesome. How was the lo mein look? And once you taste it, how does it taste? Sweet and spicy looks great. Ooh, good. You can boo repellent.
Yeah, may as well. Even though no one has a boot bell anymore.
Oh, the...
I hate this one.
Yeah, me too.
Oh, you can get the Bowser suit.
True. But you got a plunder chest.
I did indeed.
So if he doesn't use his, for some reason, use his magic lamp next turn, you can steal it.
There's no way he's not gonna.
On DK?
Yeah. He's on soup. Excuse you! Oh, hey. I mean, it's fine.
Oh, the reverse curse. Nice.
Wait, did we just walk backwards now or something?
For a turn, yeah.
But hey, now you can go backwards in the loop. Or you could reverse your reverse curse.
If I thought the reverse curse would let me go forward, I would have done that. But DK is going to use the magic lamp after this.
You know, I'm sensing a pattern with this mini.
Okay, I'm A this time.
At least I got to see the finish line this time.
There you go. Last turn. He didn't use his magic lamp.
Yeah, but if it's the last turn, I can't use it either.
That's true. I'm surprised that he didn't use the magic lamp. Daisy is on super hard, actually.
I could either go on a blaze of glory or get stuck by a cactus.
You could potentially jump over the cactus.
Bowser Revolution. Dang.
Bowser phone giveaway.
The good thing I only have 9 coins. So it's gonna go down to a bonus star now, I feel like, right?
Yes.
I love that dude just lost $10 just because of that reverse mushroom.
Right. Dang it.
I guess you can say, "Oh, I missed."
Wait,
Oh
who's
boy,
the
now
one?
I get to control the creepy thing.
You're the one.
Yeah. I really wish they didn't give it eyes. Does it have eyes in the later games?
I don't know. I thought those were headlights.
To me, they just look like eyes looking to the left.
Is that a Santa emote? No, it's Wario. Same thing.
I too confuse Santa and Wario.
Well, his teeth look like white beard. Alright, so who's gonna win this one?
It's either me or Daisy. It all depends on, I think Daisy's gonna get the the bonus stars, and I'm just gonna be sitting here.
Alright, nicely done everyone. Here are the results. Look at the number of stars collected. Collected this many stars. Let's look at the number of coins. You each entered the game with this many coins.
Dang.
Bonus star 1. The minigame star goes to the person who's won the most coins in minigames. Goes to Waluigi. Coin star goes to
Waluigi!
Waluigi.
Oh, you won!
And the happening star both to Daisy and Waluigi.
Well, you win!
Actually, I didn't know that I got the.
I thought I was gonna get that one for a second. I was like, oh.
If Daisy would have gotten it, she would have won. Just Daisy.
Funny how we're falling in order.
Winners, Waluigi. You were in second, Book Slap. Kirk was DK.
Waluigi the winner.
You are the winner.
Fourth time. Oh. I see. Oh, I was gonna look at the stats. Oh well. That was fun.
It was.
Is there anything else you'd like to do tonight, or shall we call it a little bit early?
Let's see what we got. What, 40 minutes?
About, yeah.
What can we even do in 40 minutes is the question. A few games of Splatoon.
Actually, we could. Would you like to do that?
I'm down.
Let's do some turf. I think. All right.
Surf and turf war.
Surf and turf war. There you go. Also, I don't think I've played since the Splatfest, the last Splatfest.
Yeah, I haven't played since I played with you and Kirk for the last Splatfest.
Yeah. All right.
I'm still getting used to seeing this game in 60 FPS.
Isn't it nice?
It's amazing.
I still haven't played Raiders yet, actually, now I'm thinking about it. I haven't gotten it either.
You need to. Raiders is so fun.
There's another Splatfest coming?
Palace Theme Park or Beach? This is a redo one, right?
Which would you reserve for a day? Palace, theme park, or a beach? Oh.
I don't really care for the Palace, but the theme park and the beach.
Theme park or the beach, yeah. Although I can't understand where Shiver's coming from with the Palace.
Because she's just female Wario. There's a lot of times when Kirk and I have been playing Splatoon Raiders with Charlie, and every now and then we'll hit a level that has you grinding on rails to shoot things down, and we have non-flashbacks to the story mission in this.
Kick everyone out of Disney or Universal, have that all to yourself.
Yeah, it's either that or like I'm thinking of just like chilling at the beach with my friends and for like front of a bonfire or something.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Oh, I get to put my shirt on. Where was it?
So do we want to do... Well, we could do tower control, or we could do turf war.
Huh?
Or table turf.
I'm down with any of them.
Let's do some tower control, because why not?
Someone wrote a whole ass paragraph on their thing.
Actually, no. Let's do turf war, because I got a new turf thingy.
Oh, this person made like a paragraph or too long thing about how their dog died on the 12th. Okay.
Oh, alright, room is made whenever you're ready.
Yep. No, I don't want to talk to you, Judd.
Now I'm kind of hungry.
Well, good thing stream's almost over.
I probably won't eat anything until tomorrow sometime. Got the bombs, and I got the colorblind thing. What do you call that? The thing where you throw it and it makes people colorblind.
Yeah, I know what you're talking about. I don't remember the name of it. Oh, bro's got a scouter. Watch out, he's gonna read our power level.
He's on our team. He's gonna read the other team's power level, right? Or was it on the other team?
He's on the other team.
Oh, then yes.
On our team, we just have me, two people with the Bundy bear ears, and then I don't even know what the other person was wearing. Oh, I never heard this song in the game before. Wait, this song actually slaps. The heck? Why'd it play a censor sound as if they swore?
Did it?
I mean, I don't see that anyone put like exclamation point random in chat, so yeah. Are they swearing in Splatoon?
Probably.
Alright, they added the health bars. Love it.
I love the health bars. That's probably my favorite quality of life.
No! Yes, blind them! Were you playing this game when like the hot thing to do was like color key out things and just like hide pictures behind them?
Yes. Yes.
That was sure a trend.
It was. I never did it.
Yeah, I know Vinny Vine Sauce did one as like a joke, but then like other people were playing get banned on Twitch.
Yeah, weren't people doing inappropriate things underneath?
Yeah, the game they played was make sure that you win turf war so that way you don't get banned or something. Let's have traded.
All right.
Yeah, I think we got it.
It got close. I was kind of nervous.
Yeah.
Nice. Oh, I got first splat. Nice.
I don't know what the hell Charlotte got going on her.
Like the Statue of Liberty. Was that the Splatoon 2 DLC or was that Splatoon 3 story that had the Statue of Liberty in it?
It might have been the Splatoon 3 story?
No, it was Splatoon 2 DLC. Because the
Octo
expansion.
Yeah, I never beat all of Octo expansion. I should probably go back and do that at some point.
Because Splatoon 3 story was in space.
Well, first it started on the ground in, like, the glacier.
Oh, true. Hey, how's it going? It has been a minute.
The stage reminds me of one airport stage that used to be in Call of Duty.
Hey, we got the ska music for the background.
Good. Non-stop bangers. Let's go. Oh my god, Andy.
What?
Andy, why is it like this all the time we play?
Oh. It took 2 matches. I counted. At least we're the cheese, not the box. Or no, wait. We are the box.
We're the box. We have to contain all this cheese. Oh, I could have popped my super.
Ow. Squiddy bee. Wait, no. Go over here.
No!
Try and fill in some of these gaps.
I got killed by curly fries.
Hmm.
I was betrayed. Haha, I'm in your base. Haha.
Oh, I splatted
I'm
curly
taking
fries.
Man, I could really go for some curly fries.
Mm-hmm.
If you don't think curly fries are the best version of fries, I don't think I can trust you.
Tater tots?
I don't count tater tots as like a French fry. That's more just like a bite-sized hash brown. Yeah, you probably don't want to go point blank with the charger. That doesn't usually work out well.
Mm-hmm. Typically not. Oh,
Wipe out!
nice. I'm at 1,100 points right now.
1,260.
Nice.
Yeah, blind him! Blind him, Andy!
Ugh. You don't like curly fries? I love curly fries. I basically, there's not a potato I don't like.
Curly fries is like the only thing I'll trust at an Arby's.
Not even their apple and cherry turnovers?
I didn't know they had them.
Oh, they're so good. It's their pastry.
I wish McDonald's still had the peaches and cream little pies. Those are good.
Their deep fried pies are really good though.
I went to Dunkin' today and they had like a Fluffernutter latte.
Oh.
And I really enjoyed that while I was filling out apartment paperwork. Please eat real food. Yeah. Like Krispy Kreme donuts.
What was I gonna say? I think it was a Dunkin' that was doing the like 44-ounce buckets of coffee. Like the iced coffee that they had.
Bro, if I could get a 44-ounce thing of that Fluffernutter shit, I would I would just flat out be a diabetic, I think.
Your name was yellow.
Yeah, because of the tag I'm using. I don't remember why, but
I didn't notice it until just now.
yeah, I think last time we played, you pointed it out. We were trying to figure out why it was yellow.
Oh.
I don't even remember where I got the tag from. I don't remember if it was like a gotcha machine or just something I got from leveling up a catalog.
Oh, there's someone on the other team just called Go Protest. Do you remember the shifty stations from Splatoon 2?
Was that the thing that would only show up during Splatfest? And it was
Yeah.
like, yeah, I remember that.
Where it would be like different
Two
every time.
levels
Yeah.
smashed together or something like that.
They would use single player mechanics.
Yeah. It also had like that weird LED like skybox.
Mm-hmm. Almost vaporwave.
Oh my god. Splatoon's next thing should be Vaporwave.
I could get down with that.
Maybe in Splatoon 4 they won't give us a girl band, but just like a ska punk band or something.
So Chirpy Chips? Oh wait, no. They're not ska, they're the 8-bit
I
one.
mean, I'm hoping that soon the Salmonids get the treatment that the Octolings did.
Mm.
I really want that to happen. I think the design for Salmon Kids would go so hard. Just splatted go protest.
We had someone DC on us, and we're still winning.
Don't jinx it. I think we got it.
Mm-hmm. Oh, yeah.
And this time we were the cheese.
That's true. All right. So, we've got like 20 minutes still. Who are we going to raid into after this?
It'll be Strip Shaman. Let's see. There's Heck, Coconut Prince, my friend Mental Misstep is streaming.
A lot of my people are at the Power Up Coliseum.
Yeah.
And I think you have a setting on or something.
What, for not being able to raid people?
No.
Miss.
Color blindness or something.
Nope. I don't. I know for a fact I don't have it on. Then when I do turn it on, it turns it into this. And even if I did, it wouldn't show you the same colors I was looking at. I just got that dog in me, that luck. That macaroni and cheese dog.
You got the blues, Kraft macaroni and cheese.
Yeah. I disrespected that person completely by beaming him in the head with a hammer.
Snooki's on the other team.
Oh, now we have to win. We can't let the Jersey Shore win.
Got a duel there. Or a double.
Duel.
I might be bullying a little bit.
You should. It's revenge for all the times we've been bullying. Hey, get back here.
I'm sparkling right now. I don't know why.
Oh, yeah, same. What's going on? That's definitely something new.
Oh, we DC'd. I DC'd.
Oh, no, Andy!
Did you you didn't DC?
I did not DC.
Oh.
We are 40 seconds away and we're still bullying them.
That was weird.
I'm sparkling again. I'm pretty. I'm a pretty little butterfly. Oh,
Oh, it's just not letting me connect.
that's not good.
Couldn't get server status.
Surprise maintenance only for you though.
Well, what's funny is I'm still streaming.
We won 61-33.
At least I think I'm still streaming.
I mean, I can at least hear you.
And I'm on Discord.
Yeah.
Wow. Apparently, the game said you are done for today. Thank you, Dipole. I will posture check and keep myself. You came just in time. We're probably going to raid out because apparently I can't play Splatoon. I have to figure out who.
Ooh, card pack. No, oh wait, no, 3 new cards. Let's go.
Oh wow, there's actually not a lot of people that I know that are online right now. It's at least I don't.
Josh Jepson and Steve George.
Well, my recommended. Okay, Twitch has changed how they do their mobile app following tab.
Mm-hmm.
It was showing just the recommended for you and only the recommended. It wasn't showing everybody I follow.
Mm.
So I was like, oh, not a lot of people are online. And then I turned it off, and now I see a lot more people.
Mm. I mean, there's Helvetica.
Yeah, let's raid Heck. Playing Guild Wars 2.
They're using a PNG tuber of a goat.
I see that.
That's so cute. Alright.
Alright,
Well,
well,
that is not the thing I want to paste. Yep.
Alright, I need to still run my credits. But thank you so much for hanging out, Watermelon. Give you another
Anytime.
Shout out if people don't know you already, which they should.
If you're not following me, why not?
Exactly.
What the heck, man?
And then we raid Helvetica. Make sure I spell it correctly and not accidentally stream or raid Helvetica.
See, that's why I always just copy and paste the username.
Right. Alright. Exactly. Alright. So I'm gonna run credits. Feel free to stick around. We'll see you next time.
Yep. You're vibrating?
Oh god! The past within now interactive.
There was since I've been playing Power World, I was looking for something to change the button glyphs to PlayStation, and instead I found something that was like, oh yeah, this adds haptic feedback for controllers, but it's meant for butt plugs.
Oh, it's so awful. Why?
Then we could get me a voice.
I guess. Oh.